Hi, I'm Prateek Deo, your friendly neighborhood trekking guy. I have been trekking since I was 12 years old and have trekked to most of the mountains in India and few mountains outside India. I have done my post-graduation in mountaineering from Himalayan Mountaineering Institute, Darjeeling. Life Away from Life is my adventure travel company which I have been running since the year 2000. I want to show you few trekking tips that I always use while trekking. Hi guys, so now the other very important thing is when you are trekking and you get tired, so you probably remove your bag like this and keep it here. Now how to keep it back again? That's the most important thing which you should remember while trekking. So now most of us, what we will do is we'll pick up the bag like this and try to do. In that process, either you might break the strap of the bag or you might hurt your back. So the right way to do is keep it at a place where below you can see a little gap is there. Get down to that level where you are almost standing, right, like this, and get to that level where you can easily put your bag, like how I'm putting it right now, both the straps, just like this, and you're ready. And please remember always that your bags should have a waistband. Tighten your waistband, and if it has a chest band also, sometimes some bags have a chest band like this. Please put it because it will transfer the weight to your bag instead, pull you back. And the important part is, now if you see my bag here, there's very little gap between the shoulder straps. So try to make the gap nim and let the bag stick to your spinal cord completely. Then it becomes a very dynamic and aerodynamic way to trek down. And that's how you do it. Important part while carrying is these straps which are attached to the top of your shoulder straps. These need to be very tight. These are very important. Then your shoulder straps should be stronger ones, and the below shoulder straps, and then is your waist strap here. This should be there in your bag, and if there's a small cushion like it is there in this bag, it will help you carry a decent amount of weight and it will not pain your back.